What's up YouTube? Josh here with JCS Customs, and today I'm coming at you with a video where I need your help and your opinion on something that I'm going to do to the car. With that being said, let's get this video started. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all are watching this, I'm very appreciative of all the views and the subscribers out there helping me out. So tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Looking forward to that. I hope everybody on here can have a great Thanksgiving and spend time with your family and friends. So, question for the car. Should I put a front bow tie on or leave it off? So quick backstory. If you've been paying attention to my YouTube on here, or if you follow my car page, you notice that I put a new bumper on the car from I-5 Auto House. Fantastic looking product. However, the grill does not have a, like the grills that come on the car from the factory, don't actually have a spot where your bow tie can clip in. We'll take a look at that real quick. So here's the new bumper, looks fantastic. So right here, you can see it's just flat. This is where your bow tie would go. If we take a look over here, don't mind my dirtiness in the garage. You can see on my old bumper how my bow tie was here. Now, question is, should I put the bow tie back? I can throw in a picture here so you can kind of see what it looks like without the bow tie. So the reason I'm actually asking is because I went to Walmart and found a bracket and actually found a way I can put my old bow tie back on. So let's look at this real quick. We're just gonna go down to the ground here. All right, so this is a simple bracket I got from Walmart. I just signified top and bottom here. I bent it up. Here's our bow tie. As you can see, it kind of sits. It's not flat completely, which is why I had to bend this bracket. So turn it, actually, let's grab one of these so we don't. So this bracket is actually gonna sit, I have a way of supporting this straight up in the middle here. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Straight up in the middle here, and then sit like this. So it's bent like this because when you look at my bumper, the bottom actually sits further back, and this actually leans like this. So when it's up there, it's not touching the bottom. And if you do it like that, it's bent way too much and it don't look good at all. So came up with a bracket. See if I can hold it up here. That will actually support this better. All right, it's kind of hard to hold this up here with one hand the way I want to, but you see the bracket would sit there against that and hold it out to where it needs to be. It looks pretty good. So I would love to hear y'all's opinions on this. Should I put the bow tie back or should I leave it off? Also, if you think I should put the bow tie back on, should I leave it like this, being that I've gotten rid of all the chrome? Or should I do the chrome in the color matched orange or do the bow tie in the color matched orange here? Please leave a comment down below. It'd be greatly appreciated, and I'd love to see y'all's opinions on this. So I appreciate y'all watching. It wasn't a modification video, but I appreciate y'all watching and I value y'all's opinions. So until next time, YouTube, I should have a video coming out. Might do one tomorrow for Thanksgiving. I'll come up with something to do for Thanksgiving and post a video then too. So yeah, actually before I end this video, on the 28th of this month, which is in a few days, Saturday I think, it makes a whole year that I've been modding the car. So that modification video is coming and it's gonna detail every mod I've done to the car, including, if y'all want this on the car, including this back on the car, if we can get that done. So now, I appreciate y'all watching YouTube. Until next time, peace out.